Happy Friday, ladies. Resort wear is just starting to hit the racks. And so there's gonna be tons and tons of super cute, fresh new outfit ideas and pieces for months to come. We've got our work cut out for us. By request from my girl, Miss Lisa O'Donnell, warm weather resort wear for less. Yay! True resort wear is nothing more than relaxed, breezy pieces with an undernote of chic sophistication. It's never fussy, overdone, or overcomplicated. Finally, please note that the pieces that I recommend always sell out really quickly, so you'll want to hit subscribe and, most importantly, the notification bell. That way, every time a brand new video drops, you'll be the first to know. We like being first in line, don't we? Let's do this. Number one, this gorgeous cotton poplin midi dress by STAUD. This is a gorgeous, juicy coral color in a breathable cotton poplin fabric. This is normally $345, you guys. It is on sale after the promo code for $191. STAUD is a really good brand, you guys. I have several pieces myself. I love a sheared waist like this particular dress because it provides waist definition without being the least bit binding. A sheared effect is by nature stretchy and has a lot of give. A flowy, airy skirt, this says resort perfection all over it. Pair with gladiator sandals, a chic tote, and you're done. Two other options from STAUD. This floral cotton midi at $295. This is a beautiful design of pretty tropical flowers and palm trees, just right for the resort. Breathable cotton poplin blend. Wear it around the resort, into town, for brunch, breakfast, anything. The same silhouette and just a shorter version. I have a few of these myself. $195. Add strappy sandals, a tote, a wide brim sun hat, and a pair of oversized sunglasses. Completely glamorous, and you look good. A short sleeve wrap romper. Okay, apparently rompers are very divisive in this community for some reason. Half of you, myself included, love the simplicity and the ease of looking polished and pulled together in a snap. Half of you avoid them like a plague, saying it's really hard to go to the bathroom. For those that love them, this is a flattering wrap romper in a linen viscose blend with just a touch of elastane, giving it a little bit of give. This has a little bit of a safari look to me. Throw it on, add an easy sandal, and you're immediately chic yet relaxed, which is what we want. Option two is this tropical play suit, $295. This is a breathable linen, but because it's a pattern, any wrinkling during transit isn't going to be as visible. Side seam pockets, another easy romper option. Third is this flowy maxi. You gotta have a maxi. Only $98. Can't you just see your cute self walking along the beach, toes in the wet sand, waves languidly lapping over your feet? I can't wait for summer. This is a sheer piece, so obviously makes it a perfect cover up to and from the pool or to and from the beach. For over 20 years, Oliver and I have stayed exclusively at some of the world's best luxury resorts, and I have made plenty of funny and embarrassing wardrobe goofs in the beginning, and I've learned from it, as we all do. I will not steer you on, my friend. The MIDI Havana dress at $328. This is a relaxed, cotton tiered MIDI. This is something that I might wear going into town or on a sightseeing excursion when I want a little more coverage. It's also great for those days when you're going to be out and about and you want a little more sun protection, or if you're going to be out a long time and it might get a little cooler toward the evening. You can wear it loose and flowy as is, or you can choose to emphasize your waist with a little wrap belt. Add a crossbody, a sun hat, sunglasses. Perfect. Pro tip, y'all, while there are a multitude of chic resort style outfit ideas, there are a few things that classy ladies, that's you, avoid wearing at luxury resorts. If it's something you would have worn to Senora Frogs in college, leave it behind. I have a link in the description box on what not to wear. Click, check it out if you need to. Palazzo pants and a tank. Palazzo pants are also one of my favorites. They're chic and breezy, but super comfortable and easy to wear. This is a geometric drawstring palazzo pant. This is 100% viscose. Viscose is one of the perfect summer fabrics because it is 100% cool and breathable. However, viscose will wrinkle. So to guard against that, I always roll it really tight when I pack it and pull it out immediately, shake it out. Plus, with a busier pattern like this geometric detail, any wrinkling that does occur is really not going to be that visible. Pair it with a simple, high quality tank. This one that I'm showing you is a viscose blend with vertical ribbing for a higher end look. These are well priced at only $69, so if you like the style, they're a great basic to get in a few colors. It's one of those items that you'll reach for time and time again because they tend to go with everything, especially in the neutral colors. It's a great buy. Finally, this linen pinstripe pant and tank. A wide leg linen pant is elevated with a classic pinstripe. The wide leg means flowy and breezy, obviously. Balance this relaxed silhouette with a fitted tank. This is something that I'd wear just around the resort, into town, even for an early casual dinner on the property. A couple very basic accessories can make all the difference in any outfit, taking it from, that's cute, to wow, who is she? And here's the thing, you do not have to buy a cadre of different sunglasses and hats in order to do it. You can get away with 2 of each. A pair of black sunglasses, a pair of neutral sunglasses, 2 hats, black and a neutral. I usually like to get one in a wide brim for the pool and another a smaller brim or a bucket hat for walking around town or walking around the resort when you don't want brimmed hat like knocking into everybody. That's like not really polite. And 2 bags, a tote and an easy smaller crossbody or fanny pack, you know, that you wear across your chest. Okay, y'all, please let me know what you think of these ideas below. You are why I do what I do, and I always love hearing from you. And until next week, I will see y'all soon. Have a good weekend, y'all. Bye.